This sausage, green beans, potato casserole requires only a few minutes of preparation before baking. Hey guys, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to make this delicious potato casserole with green beans and sausage so you can have it on the table for dinner time. Let's get started. So guys, to begin, you want to start off by peeling and cutting your potatoes. Now I like to place my potatoes in a bowl of water while I continue to peel and cut the rest of my potatoes. That way my potato stays nice and crisp, and it's also staying fresh while I work on the other potatoes. Next, go ahead and take your sausage, and for this we are using 1 pack kielbasa sausage. You can use either turkey or beef, and for this one we are using the turkey version. Next, go ahead and rinse both out and drain the water. Place your potatoes in a casserole dish and drizzle it with olive oil. And for this, we are using 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, go ahead and season it with garlic powder, paprika, salt and pepper to taste, and stir it well to combine. Next, go ahead and add in your sausage. Now be sure to cut your sausages into even-sized pieces so that way everything is cooked together. Go ahead and bake your potatoes and sausage for approximately 20 to 25 minutes at 400 degrees. And while your potatoes are baking, go ahead and prepare your green beans. And for this, I like to trim the ends, and also I like to cut the green beans in half. You can also use frozen green beans for this if you prefer. However, if you use frozen green beans, due to the water from it being frozen, it may alter the taste and the texture of your dish, so just be mindful of that. I highly recommend that you use fresh green beans if possible. Once you're done, go ahead and add in the green beans to the potatoes after the 20-25 minutes mark. Stir well to combine, then return the casserole to the oven. Continue baking for an additional 20 minutes or until your potatoes are nicely tendered. And that's it. The full recipe is on our website at savorythoughts.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. We would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Cheers!